Cheese, very good. Oh, you like cheese. How about the snake? What's its favorite food? It's, what's this? Egg and? Fish. How about the bee? What's its favorite food? What's this? Jam. And this is? Honey. Yeah, good. Look, they're all so full. They're so happy with their meal. Very nice. Okay, you finished one star. Today is December 6th and then 2019. Good. Can you get your crayons? And then, okay. So first of all, can you trace first? Can you do the one? With your finger first. Okay. Good. Okay, so what's this again? Okay, can you make a line, please? Or connect it? Very good. What else starts with the What's this? Okay, does it have sound? Okay, good. You make a line. You connect it. Very good. And what's this? Okay, this is like mall. Okay, so does it have sound? Mall. I think there is. Mall. So there is. Okay.